I checked the hours for the mailbox store, and it said it was supposed to be open today at 9:30, and I got there and it said closed all day Saturday. I'm going to attempt to head into CVS now because I did a little search on my phone in the parking lot and it said CVS is an authorized UPS shipping place. So that could be very helpful to me because their hours are a little bit better than some of the mailbox places in town. Welcome, I'm Jennifer. This is A Country Life, and I have shipments to go out, shipments to you guys for cookbooks and spatulas and aprons and all the things, but also, very importantly today, I have a return to Amazon. It was a Christmas present that I had purchased for one of my kids, and it wasn't right, and I kept meaning to ship it back, and finally yesterday I was like, I have to do this, and I went on and it said the last day to ship it back is tomorrow, which is today. So here I am. I was going to listen to a podcast on my way into town. When I started my car, the radio was on and polka music started playing. And I was like, there is no podcast that is going to make me as happy as polka music. So that's what I've been listening to all the way. And I have been having a smile on my face all morning. Hopefully CVS does not disappoint. What I found out in CVS is that they are just a holding place. So they will scan my box into their system, but it will not get scanned into the UPS system until Monday at 4:30, which is the 3rd, February 3rd. So I don't know. I left it with her and I thought we're just going to call it good, and hopefully Amazon will still accept it and still give me my money back. I mean, it's $20. It's not something that I would be able probably to really sell on like Facebook Marketplace. It's nothing that works at all for us. So I left it there and I'm going to call it good. And I'm going to remind myself again that if I have to ship something back, sooner is better than later. All right, let's get that polka put back on so it can get me in a better mood. I'm off to get gas and a car wash. Last night, Warren and I had tickets to a comedian, Jeff Allen. I don't know if you guys have ever seen, but he has a number of specials on Dry Bar. And I also heard, we saw a friend at the show last night, and she said he has a special on Amazon Prime as well. So check out Jeff Allen. Very, very funny, especially if you're like older. He's 68, so he has some good humor for the older generation. We attempted to get a car wash last night, and we were the next one in line, and then it shut off because our city ordinance is 10 p.m. And so everything just completely shut down, and that was it. So we couldn't get a car wash. So I'm gonna go and attempt that today, although it's like perfect car wash weather. Everything's dry. I think it's gonna be busy. There just went car number 8. While I got gas, the car wash line grew by eight cars, yes. Oh, God. Okay, so last night we realized that each car wash, it's usually between 4 and 6 minutes. So here I go. Let's just wait in line and listen to a little polka. I just went through a sneezing fit in the car, but so that's why my eye is watering. But welcome to Riverside Bible Camp. I'm on a panel of other homeschooling moms, and we're going to be answering questions regarding homeschooling children with disabilities. So I'm here. I'm going to go in, get kind of situated. There's a speaker before, like a keynote speaker before me, or before our panel, and then we're on. Well, supposedly it's warm enough to have a campfire today. What do you guys think? Is it warm enough?
Oh yeah.
It actually doesn't. So. It actually feels colder in the house than it does out here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it feels nice out here. Yeah.
Hi, Colty. So yeah, about 35, 36 degrees today. Joe doesn't even have his coat zipped up. It's damp. We got about a quarter to a half inch. Hi. We got a quarter to a half inch of snow overnight, although it's kind of melted already because it's warm. Hi.
I got a bag of Doritos.
Oh, Emily brought Doritos, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Love you. That actually would be a great.
Really work.
That'd be a great roasting stick.
Dad, can we use this?
It surely isn't raking any leaves.
Yes.
Doesn't that look like it'd be a great roasting stick?
Four at once.
I was taking it off the table and I was like, is this what we're using?
No, that's actually...
Did the Christmas tree already go up in smoke?
No, it's right there.
Oh, it's right there, yeah.
We're not putting that on until everyone's here.
Okay.
And after the fire burns down.
And this is quite a fire. Wow, Warren.
You know, we actually lit that with flint and steel.
With flint and steel.
No, that's a lie.
I was going to say it sounds like a
It
lie.
was actually gasoline and 4 matches. But
Okay.
she's going.
She's going, that's for sure. Peter's using his new knife.
The one he made.
Look at that. Yeah, tell us a little about it.
Made a knife.
Made a knife.
Made a knife.
Cherry one.
Out of cherry, nice. It looks really nice. But this is an amazing fire. Although it's like 35 out, it feels cold to me.
It's because it's damp.
Yeah, it's really damp.
Use this.
Hey, perfect. Did you make that?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Things got a little out of control. This is so hot. My legs burning. Gosh.
Look, I got 2 marshmallows. I got 2 marshmallows. Look. That's cool.
Are you going to eat this or no?
Is that your Christmas tree?
It sure is.
Nice and cooked.
Oh.
It's kind of perfect that it's February 2nd too. It's like legit the end of the Christmas season. Whoa!
I feel like my dad.
Yeah, you're just sitting there.
Sit here and let it flame up.
Whoa!
That is awesome.
What is that?
Wow, that's not.
I don't even know what this is.
The needles were bad.
No, I don't think I'm
Do you want me to put you on the trampoline?
This is what you do when you're done raking leaves.
In a
little bit.
You might be a redneck if your leaf rake does double duty as a marshmallow roaster. You could build me a roast them twice.
Ainsley, face. Ainsley, face out there so you can see it when it explodes, okay?
I'm gonna plug your ears. Dad, plug your ears.
Plug, honey.
No pressure, Pete. Try again.
That must have been right in front of it because it was.
You're close.
I feel like the orange thing actually moved.
The ice went up right in front of
Yeah. Unfortunately, I missed the shot when Peter connected. It is so slippery out here. When he connected with the tannerite. What do you call this? Little tannerite boom boom?
It's called a sonic boom.
Okay. Wow. This is so slippery.
Mom, look how close that bullet was.
Yes.
The one.
Yes.
It just right in front of it.
Right there.
And then look, you guys feel that? It's just compacted. Little divot.
Where was it,
cool.
Peter?
It was right there.
Right there.
That's
Here,
where
can I
it
see
was
that cool?
sitting. It was sitting right there.
Yeah,
honey.
look, see? There's the bottom. So that was right there and it just...
I'm making some homemade pizza. Yeah. The method that I use to make these pizzas is from Lisa Bass from Farmhouse on Boone. I saw her make these once with sourdough discard, and I have to say She literally can pick her pizzas up. Like she could take the whole crust and lift it right out of here. And it's like crunchy. Mine, not so much. This is the second time I've done this. And I'm trying. Let me just flip this one over. See, it doesn't really even look very dark. In this first one, I actually had it 450 because I thought it was 450, but then when it wasn't quite working how I wanted it to, I went and checked her website, and it actually says 425. So this one I did at 425, and we'll see. I just took it out. It's actually releasing a lot better. It's still, look at it though. It still can fold right in half. This could not be lifted out at all. So I'm not sure what is going on. Maybe I didn't heat my pans long enough. I should look to see if she says they need to be in there for like a half an hour or what. I mean, I only had these in for probably, I would say about 10 to 12 minutes before I took the pan out and poured the sourdough discard on it. So I don't know why hers are so crispy crunchy and mine are not. But anyway, Warren said they taste good. For the tomato sauce today, I just used a little bit of tomato paste. I seasoned it up with a half teaspoon, so I used about a half of 6 ounces, so like 3 ounces of tomato paste with a half teaspoon, no, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, and then a whole bunch of Portesi seasoning. Mix that all up and use that as the sauce. We are not like huge extra sauce fans by any means, so we don't need a lot of sauce, and that's fine. Anyway, it tastes pretty good, I have to say. But it's just not that crispy. I'm looking to make that super crispy cracker type crust. Peter says this is great. He really likes it. Recently I made these delicious peanut butter blossoms for my family as a Valentine's Day treat, and I wanted to share with you all the recipe for this. I have a printable recipe card for these cookies. Please click the link in the description box below and I will get one of those sent over to you right away. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody, and we will see you soon.